Teacher, on Earth.
Teacher. Who can tell me what they
Hello, teacher.
Hello, honey.
Hello.
What today? Today is
Hi.
Monday.
Tuesday.
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 Yes, great. Tuesday. What the
Tuesday. Tuesday. Teacher, 26th October.
26th of October and the year 20.
26th October 2021.
So much
2021.
online science class. I'm teacher Riham, your science teacher. May Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Please, grade 2, follow our online classroom rules. Be on time, be prepared, turn off your camera, mute your mic, raise your hand to talk or to ask your teacher. Let's enjoy the new kind of, okay? Yesterday, we know what the title of our new lesson. Who can tell me the title?
Test and analyze.
Thank you so much. Again, Omar, raise your voice.
Yes.
Omar, Maher, yes. Test and
Test and analyze material.
thank you so much. Test and analyze materials. Test and analyze materials. Okay, so in this lesson, we learned how can we use the materials to make what or which object we use and what the properties of the materials we need to make this.
For the liquid container for very things. Container for the liquids.
Okay, thank you so much, Ars. Okay, so first we learned in this lesson that number 1, the shape of the material. Yes, Asil, the shape of the material can. Asil?
Yes.
Yes, honey. So in this lesson first, we learned that the shape of the material can change or cannot change.
Can change.
Can change like this clay, yeah?
Yeah.
We can make shapes by this clay. So again, Asil, the shape of the materials can.
What?
The shape of the material can what?
Can
Change, can.
change.
Again, Asil.
Change. can change.
Thank you so much, Asi. So the shape of the material can change. Yesterday, I'm asking you what the materials can be used to make a boat. To make a boat, and you tell me that the paper can or cannot use. Yes, Tanayan? Tanayan?
Yes, teacher.
The paper. Can we use the paper to make a boat or no?
No,
Why? Because it's absorbed.
the water.
Great, thank you so much, Tanayan. But can we use this plastic bottle?
What?
Sorry, can we use this plastic bottle to make a boat?
Yes.
Okay, yes, because it absorbs water or does not absorb the water? Yes, Thanayan, this plastic bottle can absorb the water or cannot absorb the water? Doesn't absorb the water.
No.
Doesn't absorb the water. So can be used to make a boat. Thank you so much, Thanayan. Great, Thanayan. Today you are focused. Okay. So what the materials can be used to make a boat? We can use a plastic bottle because we must change the paper to plastic because the plastic doesn't absorb the water. Because what, Nu'ayman? Which one doesn't absorb the water, Nu'ayman? Water, the paper or the bottle?
Paper.
The paper doesn't absorb the water or the bottle?
Bottle.
The bottle, great. The bottle doesn't absorb the water. If you put the water inside this bottle, it doesn't absorb the water. Thank you so much, Nu'ayman. Great job. Okay, now, when you make a new something, when you want to make a new something, okay, like when you want to make a bottle, this bottle of plastic, you must ask yourself how it will be used. How can we use this bottle? Number one, and what the properties of the materials we need to make this bottle. Okay, so again, grade 2. When you make a new something, when you want to make a new something like this bottle, like a pencil, like a laptop, anything you want to make, okay? When you want to make a new something, okay? First, you must ask yourself how it will be used, how we can use this plastic bottle, how we can use a pencil, how we can use a laptop. Number 2, what the properties we need to make, we need in this material to be used. How, what the materials of this, sorry, what the properties of the materials we need to use it. Okay, honey? So let me ask you, Elias, yes, Elias?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now Elias, if we want to make a
Boat. Boat or something.
okay, now can you know this picture? It's a bridge. It's a
Bridge.
again bridge. It's a
Bridge.
yes, it's a bridge. Now we want to build this bridge, okay? We want to build this bridge. So first, what you will ask yourself before you build this bridge? Number one, what?
We must bring something heavy.
Great. So number one, what the properties of the materials? We need to use it, yeah?
Yes, heavy.
And first, before the material, we must ask yourself, how can we use this bridge? How it is important or what the importance of this bridge, yeah?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Elias. Great job. So grade 2, again, if you want to make anything, number one, you must ask yourself how it will be used. Number 2, what the properties of the materials we need, okay? So today, let's start to build a bridge. Do you know this bridge? It is called,
Yes.
sorry, it's called bridge, okay? Thanks, Elias. So in this picture, we have a bridge. We have a bridge. What about this bridge? Is it important? What the properties of the materials we need to build this bridge? Who can tell me? We need a heavy material or we need a light material? Yes, Nawaf. No. Nawaf, thank you, yes. Nawaf? Nawaf, where are you? Yes, Nawaf. Now we want to build a bridge like this one, okay? So first we need a heavy material or before, sorry, before, yes. Okay, before the blueprints, we must ask yourself what the function of this bridge. Is it important? What the function? Nawaf.
It is important.
Hold what? This bridge is hold what? Yes, I will draw for you and you can get. Hold a.
Car.
Yes, hold the car and hold a heavy truck. Yeah. So
Car and heavy truck.
heavy trucks. Yeah, hold the car and hold the heavy trucks. This is number one. Thank you so much, Nawaf. So number one, how we can use these bridges or what the function of these bridges, how it is important, okay? We use these bridges to hold, number one, to hold heavy trucks and cars. To hold heavy trucks and cars. Yes, tell me, Ars, how can we use this bridge?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, how can we use
Hold the heavy trucks and cars.
Hold heavy trucks and cars. Thank you so much, Ars. Great. Now we need something is called bridge, or we build something is called bridge. This bridge will hold a heavy trucks like this and cars. So what the groupers of the materials can be used to build these bridges. So we need a heavy materials to hold these heavy trucks and cars, or we need light materials. Yes, Ali Abdullah. Ali?
Yes.
Yeah, so now Ali, we need to build this bridge, okay? And this bridge hold heavy trucks and cars, okay?
Yep.
So what the materials we need to build this bridge? Do we need can we use a light material or heavy material?
Heavy material.
Thank you so much, Ali. So to build this bridge, we need a heavy material. We need a heavy material to hold these heavy trucks and cars. So we need a heavy materials to hold these heavy trucks and cars. Okay, let me show you a video for this bridge here.
Think about the objects you use every day and what materials they are made from. Let's talk about this blanket made out of cotton, so it's soft to the touch and flexible. Some skateboards, like this one, are made of wood because they need to be solid and strong enough to hold our weight when we stand on them. Wood, paper, cotton, plastic, steel, concrete. They're all common materials.
Okay, so all of these are common materials. This all are common materials. Okay, plastic, wood, metal, cotton. What else again?
Concrete. They're all common material. Wood, paper, cotton, plastic, steel, concrete. They're all common materials, but each material has properties that make it useful for different jobs. Let's experiment. We will build a bridge over this basin of water and see how many toy cars it can hold. For our first material, let's use a paper towel. This paper feels soft and stretchy. We will stretch it across our water basin and secure its edges down with tape. Now, let's make it rain a little bit on our bridge. Now it's time for the cars. You can see from the first car that the material is flexible and bending.
Oh, look at the
Uh-oh, It's not looking very strong. It didn't take many cars to break this bridge. For our second material, let's use a cereal box made of cardboard.
So first, can we use the paper to make this bridge or no? Yes, Abdul Malik.
No.
Abdul Malik. Abdul
Of
Malik.
course.
Abdul Malik. Yes.
No.
Yes, teacher.
No.
Abdul Malik. Abdul Malik. Yes, Abdul Malik. Can we use the paper to build the bridge?
It
Yeah.
is not as flexible as paper and feels firm,
Wait. Yes or no?
Yes.
not soft, cardboard.
Abdul Malik.
It is not, it's not looking very strong.
The car very strong than the paper. Can you use the paper to make it?
No, I said no.
Focus, Abdul Malik. Focus.
It didn't take many cars to break this bridge. For our second material, let's use a cereal box made of cardboard. It is not as flexible as paper and feels firm, not soft. We'll test it with a little rain again. This material appears to be stronger than the paper. It's still holding up after a few cars, but look, it's beginning to bend under the weight of the cars. For
Can be used this cardboard.
our last material,
Yes. Yes.
The last one. How you say it?
Yes. No. Number two, no, of course.
cars.
It's absorb the water.
For our last material, let's use wood. You can see the wood is absorbing the rain because you see it changing color. But will that affect its strength? Wow, a bridge full of cars, and it's still holding strong. Looks like wood is the correct material choice for this job.
Okay. Can we use a what? The bridge?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But
Yes. The bridge. It's strong.
okay, but after 1 year, what will happen?
Broken. Broken.
It will be broken, yeah, because the rain is absorbing water, yeah?
You will break.
Okay.
Absorb the water. They were broken.
Wrong. What's wrong? Keep yourself mute, Nawaf. So now let me ask you, what the Bluebirds can make, or what the Bluebirds make the paper tile, a god, or poor choice for building a bridge? Yes, is it a good or poor? Where are you? Who will answer?
Right here.
Me, teacher.
Yes, okay, Omar. Is it a good or poor?
No, paper towel is not good
Yes, of course, it's not good.
Not good.
because it will sink. Not good.
Yes, it will sink down. It will absorb all.
It's not good. Water.
Yes, so paper towel, not good. It will absorb all the water, so we cannot use it, okay? Number two, what the Bluebirds make a cardboard. Cardboard, good or poor? Yes, Yusuf Khalid. Cardboard.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what board? Can we use it or no?
Again?
The cardboard, do you know the cardboard?
Yes.
Yes, can we use to make a bridge or no?
Bridge? No. No.
Yeah, why? Because it will absorb
The water.
absorb the water from the rain and cannot hold all the car. Thank you so much, Yusuf. Okay, and what about the third material here? Yeah. Thanks, Yusuf. Great job. Okay, what about the wood? Is it strong or no? What about the wood? Yes, who will answer me? Yes, Ali Gamal. Ali Gamal. Ali Gamal. Ali Gamal.
Yes, teacher. Me, Ali Jamal.
Okay, tell me, what about the wood? Is a good or poor choice for building a bridge? Is it strong? Yes, Ali, where are you?
Again, teacher.
What Bluebirds make the wood a good or poor choice? Is it a good or no? The wood, good or no choice?
Good.
Good. So
Good.
number one, the wood is strong, but it's not flexible. It's not flexible, okay? How can we make the bridge by this? Okay, the wood also will absorb the water, but the water doesn't weaken the material. And after maybe 1 year or more, it can what? Yes, Omar? You said
Good material.
broken. Okay, so now
Broken material.
how can you guess now what the materials can be used to make this bridge? Do you know?
Concrete.
Great, thank you so much, Omar. So we can use a concrete. Let me show you here.
Teacher,
Yes, Tanayan.
I want to answer.
Okay, hon. So number one, bridges used to hold heavy trucks and cars. So we need a heavy material to make this bridge and have some properties don't absorb the rain, the water from the rain, and can hold the heavy trucks and cars. So can we use a what? We need a number one, heavy or strong material. Heavy or strong materials? Who not answer? Who's not?
Strong.
Now what one by one? Yes, Fahad. So we need a
Strong.
or heavy. Fahad, I'm ask Fahad. Are you Fahad? Yes, Fahad.
Yes.
Yeah. So we need a strong or weak material.
Strong.
Great. So we need a strong material. Number one, and this strong material are able to withstand force, like a heavy truck and a car. Thank you so much. Okay. Number two. Okay, so can we use this yarn or the concrete? Muhammad Sharif? Yes, Muhammad. No, one by one. Yes, Muhammad Sharif?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so look, Muhammad, can we use this yarn or this concrete to make to build a bridge? Which one?
Concrete. Concrete.
Great, so concrete is because it's strong or weak? Yes, Muhammad. Concrete is strong or weak?
Weak. Strong.
Yes, because it's strong. So we can use or we must use a concrete because it's a strong material, doesn't absorb the water or doesn't affect by the water, okay? And can hold the heavy trucks and the car. So it's strong enough to hold trucks. So what the properties of the material or what the properties of this concrete, it's strong enough to hold trucks. It's strong enough to hold trucks. Okay, now let's open your book quickly on page 32. Okay, page 32. Okay. If you open your book, show me.
Unit what? Unit what?
Unit 2. Now we are in Unit 2. The book for Unit 2.
Okay. I open it, teacher. Yes.
Show me, Elias, and show your friend.
In the camera.
Yes. I will stop.
Okay. I open
Show me
it.
and show your friend, okay?
Yes, teacher, and me, I am open it.
Okay, so let me show you here in my book. Okay, look at ours. First, show your friend your book. Okay. Yes, ours. Yes, okay, so for this book, all of you bring this book. And number 2, open the page, please. 32, okay? Thank you, Arz, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, now, please stop your video. Arz, Ali Abdullah, and Yusuf Khalid, and yes, thank you so much. Okay, now please stop your video. Stop your video, okay? Let me show you your friend. Okay, here, look at this picture. Okay, we watched the video and now we know what the material is used to build this this bridge. Okay, so let's write together. Concrete is strong enough to hold tracks. Okay, concrete is strong enough to hold tracks. Okay. Yeah.
Teacher, what's the page?
Yes. 32. 32.
Thank you. Teacher, what's that?
What? You will write this. Concrete is strong enough to hold tracks. Okay? Can you see? Concrete is strong enough to hold tracks. Oh, sorry. What are you?
Teacher, write it now.
Yes, right now, quickly. Okay?
Okay.
So write concrete. What's strong? Write this statement, okay? Concrete is strong enough to hold tracks.
Teacher, please don't write.
Okay. I tried to, but I don't know how.
I write.
Right, concrete is strong enough to hold tracks. Okay, I will write here again. If you cannot write, concrete
I write.
You write all?
Yeah.
Okay, is strong. Yes, Mishal? Is strong. So tell me, Mishal, what the material can be used to build a bridge? Tell me what the material. Can you use a paper or a concrete?
Teacher, what we write?
Right now, like me? All right. Oh, how I can use this eraser.
Teacher, I finished writing.
What, honey? You
I
finished?
finished.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Teacher.
I finish.
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
and me, I am finished.
Okay, hold. Okay, Mishal. So tell me, Mishal. Mishal.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so tell me, Mishal, what the material can be used to...
Teacher, wait. I would write it right now.
Okay, quickly. To hold tracks. Mishal?
Write
Yes,
all.
teacher.
Yes, okay. Tell me, Mishal, what the material can be used to build bridge, this bridge, to build this bridge, what the material can be used? A paper or a concrete?
Great.
Again, excellent, because concrete is a heavy material or strong?
Strong.
It's a strong material. Thank you so much. Yes, Aris, great job.
Welcome.
Okay, if you write, all of you show me. Open your video and show me, okay? Who's not answer with me today? Yes, yes, Rayes. Where are you, Rayes? Rayes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, welcome, Rayes. Did you write?
I will write.
Okay, look at this picture. Tell me, what can you see here? It's a?
Yes.
It's a? Thanks, Aris. It's a bridge. It's a?
A bridge.
Yeah, what about this bridge? How can we build this bridge? Can we use a paper or concrete?
No.
This bridge.
No.
So what the material can be used? Paper or bridge?
Bridge.
Sorry, paper or concrete?
Concrete.
We can use a concrete to build this because concrete is strong or weak, Rais? Thanks, Omar. Great.
Strong.
It's strong.
Teacher, I finished. I am Nawaf Salah.
Great job, Elias. Thank you so much. Okay, show me. If you finish, show me. Yes, Mishal. Thank you, Mishal. Excellent, Mishal.
Teacher, I am Nawaf Salah. I finished. Teacher.
Yes. Okay, let me answer the last one. Ziad. Ziad, let me ask you
No,
this.
no.
Wait.
But I didn't finish, teacher.
Okay,
I'm
quickly.
Yusuf Khalid.
Wait, quickly, because we have 2 minutes only, okay? Yes, Ziad. Ziad.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, look, Ziad, what here in this picture, what can you see? It's a bridge. It's a
Bridge.
Yeah, what about this bridge? How can we build this bridge? What the material can be used? Can we use a paper or a concrete?
Concrete.
Again, you, Ziad?
Concrete.
Concrete, because concrete is strong enough or is weak?
Strong.
It's strong enough to hold what? This concrete will hold what?
The bridge.
Or will hold a big trucks?
The cat.
Cat? And what
The
else?
car.
The cars, yeah. Heavy trucks and cars. Heavy trucks and cars, okay?
Okay.
Again, heavy trucks and cars.
Heavy.
Trucks
Car.
and cars.
And car.
And cars. Thank you so much, Ziad. I think all of you participate with me, yeah? There's no one?
Teacher, I just finished.
Okay, quickly, Yusuf, because there's no time.
Yes, teacher, it's very, very easy, the lesson.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. I have all of my subject easy with you and with all of you, okay? So again, in this lesson, we learn how, if you want to make any, you want to make a
Teacher,
note,
teacher
no?
Riham, it's wonderful.
Thank you so much, Aris. So first you must think about how the object will be used. How can we use this bridge to hold heavy trucks and cars? Number two, what the blueprints we need to, or what the blueprints of the materials we need to build this bridge, okay? So we need strong materials to be able to withstand great force or to be able to hold the heavy trucks and cars, like the concrete, okay? Thank you so much. To okay, add a positive point for all of you.
Teacher, I don't finish.
Okay, you can write from your book. Sorry, from the Telegram, okay?
I'm sending it in Telegram.
Yes.
We write it now.
Yes, I know, Art. Thank you so. Something wrong there. Okay. Let me add a positive point. Okay. So I will add for all of you because no one absent. Battal. Battal. Battal.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Battal, welcome. Okay, so today, Battal, we know how to build a bridge, how to build a
Great.
Yes, and this bridge need heavy material or light material. Yes,
Yeah.
heavy material. Heavy. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye.